What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your app and folder icons on your PC. First, open Google or Pinterest if you prefer and search for any PNG image. Save the image. Search ICO Convert. I'll leave the link on the description. Click the fourth link that shows up. Browse image. Now adjust it how you want. Click on Download. Download. You'll have to wait 30 seconds. So, right-click on the icon you want to change. Click on Properties. Press Change Icon. Press Browse. Select the image. Press OK. Press OK again. Looks much better now, right? Let's do the same thing now but for folders. Repeat the initial process. So now, right-click on it. Click on Properties. Click on Customize. Press Change Icon. Browse. Select the image. Press OK. And that's it. Drop a like and hit subscribe if you found this useful.